Hey, what's up? It's Mark Terribellini, and in this video, I want to give a quick update on where we're at with the projects here in the backyard. So I'm going to flip things around and show you what we got going on. So this back patio cover, just a flat roof, and the water just kind of sits up there. It's not great. You actually already see it's kind of deteriorating kind of here and here. It's really kind of falling apart. So this, I'm not sure on the designs quite yet, but it's there's an engineer. Basically, we're going to pitch this some certain way so the water basically diverts better and doesn't just sit up there. So this is going to get a whole new redesign. But there's been a couple issues with that. So there's two trees here, and I had this one marked as, getting removed because it's falling apart. You can see the bark kind of falling off. Had a limb fall off there. It's just kind of a diseased tree. It's really stressed and falling apart. So this tree is going to go. But I realized with this tree, I was going to keep it, but they were telling me that it's a protected tree since it's over 19 inches or 19 and a half inches, something like that. And they have to build like a fence around it for the critical root zone and, spend materials and time to build that out. And it kind of seemed like more trouble than it was worth, because when the tree guy came out to look at this tree, he said this one's not looking great either. And so I had him come back out. I was like, okay, can we take this one out too? And he said basically yes, because it's definitely stressed. He noticed this little patch down here. That's like a fungus kind of growth. And he says it's very aggressive, and all the bark's gonna start falling off, and this tree is basically gonna start falling apart, more so than it is already. So not worth keeping, since it is basically dying. So that's going to remove the issue with having to build a fence around it and stuff like that. So we can save costs with that. We can just place the materials back here and build that out. And it also makes it easy for the tiny house that's going to get put back here, because we're going to have to pipe water in through here. I'm not sure where gas and electric is going to be coming from, but we have to be very careful with these trees of the root zones. And you have to put the piping in between the roots and stuff. It's going to be kind of a pain, really, a big deal. So this way, it's not really a tree worth saving and catering to. So the trees are going to be gone. It's not going to be an issue anymore, and we can just pipe whatever we need right in through here, no problem. And that's that. So what's next basically is I'm getting the floor plan is about done. We're getting a 3D model made. They're going to start doing some soil samples and things back here. And this is where the tiny house is going to be going. So next step is I need to get that shed removed. So if anybody has any ideas of how to get one of those out of here, I have kind of a small fence to get it through. So it's probably going to be disassembled. I don't know if I can try and sell it on Facebook for free or whatever. So that's going to be kind of the next project. So that's about it for now, and I will keep you posted on how things progress. So if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.